Hello guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you what to do if you can't find your PayPal account number. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. And of course, do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. So, let's begin and first open up PayPal app. Then right here top at that little person's icon, it may ask you to use a Face ID to get access to your profile, and then just scroll down until you find Help. Then get in Date, and then at that search box, just start typing an account number. And then just hit where it says, "What is my PayPal account number?" And on that screen, it says my PayPal account doesn't have an account number or a root number. The email address that you use to log in is the main identifier for your account. Now you can write down in the comments if you have any questions about that tutorial. And also, I recommend you to check out my PayPal tutorials playlist, which you can easily find in the description. Hit the like button if you like that video, and I see you in the next one.